Energy consumption has increased manifold in the NWFP. Coupled with gas shortage and frequent power outages, this emerging scenario has resulted in the closure of numerous industries in the provinces. The fate of several others has been jeopardized, and the situation is likely to worsen unless new avenues of energy creation are explored at the earliest. LPG, solar energy, biofuel plants and microhydel plants are some of the alternate resources that can be used for domestic purpose, but they are not economically feasible for industrial use. But the industrialist community have their backs against the wall.
When we start running the factory, and then there is a shortage of energy, and then we have to shut down after 2 hours or 3 hours, which destroys the whole workflow of the factory.
Little support appears to be forthcoming from the government, but the industrialists have taken matters in their own hand. To remedy the situation, industrialists in Peshawar are working to produce alternate energy by establishing Pakistan's first ever coal water slurry plant. A coal-rich province, NWFP is ideal for production of such energy that can also be used in other parts of the country. This totally indigenous plant will take less than 2 months to start production. If this purely entrepreneurial experiment succeeds, coal-based energy will replace natural gas as the primary source of energy for the industries in Peshawar.
The whole equipment, machinery would be made in Pakistan. We will be having a capacity of 24 tons per day of coal water slurry. It's going to cost about 4 million to 5 million rupees, the whole equipment which is locally manufactured. And this is the solution to natural gas, which is finishing off with the passage of time. It is cost effective, it's 30% cheap.
But it is not about starting a project. Much more difficult than getting the ball rolling is to ensure that the plant remains workable and cost effective.
We've done some practical experimentation on it. We produced about 7-8 drums of coal water slurry on a small scale. We used that, and what we got was that we had 30% less cost vis-a-vis natural gas.
This industrial shift to alternate energy carries several benefits, but above all, it will ensure optimal industrial output. Along with that, precious amount of energy and capital will be saved. This is one of the steel industry that has completely been closed due to unavailability of natural gas. Many such industries have been closed down due to suspension of gas supply in NWFP. Alternate energy is the only solution, but that too need patronage from the government. Mumtaz Bangash, Dawn News, Peshawar.